Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S10 Plus. Now this case is made by Poetic. It's the Guardian series. Let's take a look at it. Okay, now before we get started, let me tell you where you get this from. You get it from Amazon. It's the Galaxy S10 Plus clear case, Poetic full body hybrid bumper cover. Supports wireless charging without built-in screen protector. Guardian series case for the Galaxy S10 Plus 2019. This is a black one. This is $16.95. No coupon with this one, but it's going to offer good protection for you if that's what you're looking for, so it's probably going to be worth it. Let's go ahead and take a look at this thing and take it out of the box. Okay, now here's the box it comes in. Pretty simple boxing. Poetic branding on the front. Nothing much else on the box. Some more branding there. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Nothing else in the box. You got a little instruction tab here and Poetic card to register the item there. Take this off. Now this is a clear case, but it's also got a face on it. You can see that. So it's a two-part case. You have to take that off, put the face on. You got your buttons for your Bixby button there, volume down rocker. Your power button right there. You got your mic hole up top. You got your speaker, your mic, your charging port, and your headphone jack. So all of that is covered. Just pull that out if you want to get to it. I don't really like those because it does make it difficult to stick a charger in, but mostly wireless charging is being done, so that's pretty cool. Your camera right there is cut out. It's not too thick on the back, but it's going to protect the camera. As you can see, you got this industrial design. You got some feet on the corner, so it's going to be you're going to be able to set this down with no problem. And of course, the front is raised, so you'll be able to, you can protect the glass right there, no problem there. Let's go ahead and take it apart and put the device in. Now, when you take this apart, you're going to peel from the corner right here. That's always the weakest area. And so you're going to start to get it off like that. Okay, we got the Galaxy S10 Plus. Let's put the face on first. You got a little cutout up top there for the sensor speaker, and let's go ahead and put this into the bottom part here. So that went on pretty nicely. Make sure everything is into the slots there. It comes all around. It's all fitted, so it went on pretty easily. Okay, so this is the case. Now this is not too bad. You got a clear back. You got your cameras well protected. You got feet on the corner, so you're gonna be fine there. The power button works fine, no problem. All your ports line up. Everything lines up there. You got your charging port, no problem there. And your headphone jack port, no problem there. Everything lines up. You got your Bixby button and your volume down rocker. All right, all that works pretty good. All right. So now this is not a bad looking case. It's not too bulky for a rugged case. And they call this kind of a hybrid case actually, because it's not exactly, doesn't have the normal rugged look with the ridges that they have on the other, like for the Note 10 Plus. But this is going to give you good protection. As you can see, the front glass is raised up, so no problem there. You can slam this down, no problem. And the back is protected as well. You got good cushion on the side and the corners as well. So it's going to be a good case for you if you're looking for some good protection for the S10 Plus. All right, not a bad looking case. Okay, they advertise wireless charge work. Let's check it out and see if it does. There you go, it picked up wireless charge, no problem. Let's check out this one that stands up and see what it does there. All right, so wireless charge picked up right there as well. It's pretty good. Okay, so we just looked at the Poetic hybrid case for the Galaxy S10 Plus. This is the Guardian series. Now, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it on Amazon. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.